big slid down the little ramp.
And that is NASA astronaut Nick Kay, commander of Crew 9.
Mobility aid.
Now
Again,
out of
big
Crew
smile.
Dragon Freedom. Some smile.
Once again, some...
There we have it, some waves, some thumbs up, and
they were just in space moments ago, so their arms were able to float freely.
400 meters.
This is a gorgeous bluebird day here that we have for the splashdown of Crew 9. It's incredible to think that the Dragon capsule just minutes ago was going over 17,000 miles per hour, and now gently coasting to a soft splashdown.
200.
Copy, 200 meters. Brace for splashdown.
As you can see there on your screen, continuing to monitor progress of the Dragon spacecraft. And we're going to stand by for splashdown, located in the Gulf of America, off the coast of Tallahassee, Florida.
And splashdown, Crew 9 back on Earth.
And SpaceX Freedom, splashdown. Good main release.
Copy, splashdown. We see main chutes cut. Nick, Aleks, Butch, Suni, on behalf of SpaceX, welcome home.